putting 20 kids at home, headsets on, just talking to an AI, I don't think that's a very healthy outcome at all. And I know there are experiments doing that stuff. We're back. We're going to talk a little bit more about AI. I think there is a colossal problem in the education system, and I think AI provides some solutions to that problem. I think, speaking as a father of two who's had very different experiences for both kids going through the education system, it didn't fit either of those children in the way that they need to, and I think AI allows a level of personalization that would be better suited to. But it depends on what that means, and it's almost the same thing as the discussion about artists using AI. If you have teachers and classrooms that are enabled to use AI to A, reduce their workload, but B, personalize the training, and make things much more relevant and much more contemporary, for sure. If you mean, putting 20 kids at home, headsets on, just talking to an AI, I don't think that's a very healthy outcome at all. And I know there are experiments doing that stuff, but I do think, and this is something I'm really passionate about, the education system is so broken, and there is never going to be the funding in order to be able to get to the point where it's improved. So you have to look at ways of reducing the cost to deliver more impact, and AI is definitely one of the ways that can do that. I think. I also think, in terms of workplace skills, and already you see this with people not looking, there are lots of jobs that no longer require university graduates. They require people who have got skills to be able to use various tools, one of which is AI. And I think a whole set of training through school, which is pinned to those tools that they're going to use in their life, is actually really, really important, and is probably much more important than some of the things that are being taught at the moment. So caveated, I'd say it's a good thing for education, but definitely not sitting on your own in your bedroom just learning from a computer or a headset or whatever.